For those using enblock Manager for the first time, creating a new account is necessary. Additionally, due to changes in LG Energy Solutions account policy, previous users of Resu Monitor will also need to create a new account. For detailed information about the account policy, please refer to the sign-up document in the enblock Manager User Manual on the website. Account creation is intended for company representative accounts or DIY users. For general administrators or employees, you can be added through the company master account, so please keep this in mind. Tap Sign Up to go to the account creation page. On the account creation page, to create a company representative account, select Company to get started. Enter the company name, and if uploading a company logo, image files up to 5 MB in size are supported. Click Select a file to upload an image file saved on your computer. Next, enter the company's founding date, website URL, company description, and address information. If there are separate customer support and sales contact points, fill in the blanks to provide the information to your customers. If the customer support and sales contact points are the same, simply check Same as Customer Support. Enter the name and email information of the user who will use the company representative account. Then, based on your company's business type, check options such as commercial or residential, agree to the privacy policy and terms, and finally, click the Save button. Once the basic information is entered, the verification code input and password set screen will appear. The verification code is automatically sent to the email registered as the representative account. Check the inbox for the representative account to find the verification code. Enter the verification code received by email into the enblock Manager and proceed to the next password setup step. Once the password setup is complete, tap Submit to finish creating the account.